Assalamualaikum, dear students. Today our topic of presentation is the research and scientific writing. It is the course which is taught to the BS Botany 7th semester in University of Sawabi. Okay. So first of all, what is research? Research and scientific writing. This is the name of our course, simply known as R and SW. So first of all, research means to find something new, to find something again and again, to know something which you don't know. Okay? उर्दू में हम इसको कहते हैं ना, दोबारा जानना, किसी चीज को नए सिरे से जानना, वो चीज जो आप नहीं जानते उसके बारे में इल्म रखना. ठीक है? So first of all, when you are conducting a research work, so first of all, you need to go to the field. There are different fields in botany in which you can conduct your research work. Okay? For example, taxonomy, ecology, floristic diversity, phytosociology, genetics, cytology, stress physiology, biochemistry, phytochemistry, palynology, etc., etc. You can conduct your research work in the field of bryophytes, pteridophytes, angiosperms, gymnosperms, spore morphology, anatomy, and so on. Okay? You can conduct your research work in any field of botany which you like. Okay? So first of all, starting your research work, you should to think over that which one discipline is your favorite. So then you should to select that field for your research work. Okay? If you like stress physiology or biochemistry, if you like plant taxonomy and palynology, or if you like ecology and phytosociology or anatomy, so then you should to select that field by your own choice. Okay? You should not select any field which in which you are not interested. Okay? और you should not select any field by force. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले आपको वो फील्ड सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए जो सबसे ज्यादा आपको पसंद हो, जिसको आप पसंद करते हो, जिसको आप ज्यादा जानते हो, जो आपका फेवरेट है. ठीक है? So you should to conduct your research work at BS level, then you can do it in MPhil and PhD level as well. ठीक है? So first of all, when you are starting your research work, for example, I have a thesis notebook. ठीक है? This is the title page. First of all, when you are starting your research work, so you should to know about your title. Okay? First of all, you should to finalize your title. ठीक है? First of all, you should to select your field of interest, and number second one, you should to finalize your title, your topic, and then you should to finalize your objectives. Objectives should be 2, 3 or 4. Okay? It is very important. So when you are starting your research work, so first of all, in your research thesis, you will write the title pages. Okay? There are two things which are important. Number first one are the title pages. It is the main body of your research work. And number second one is the introduction, review of literature, material and methods, results, discussion, conclusion and recommendations, and references. This is the main body of your research work. Okay? From introduction up to the references, it is included in a research article and research thesis as well. Okay? So first of all, the title pages, these are the formalities of the university, and it is not included in the plagiarism part of your research work. Okay? You can write according to the format of your university. The title page, approval page, certificate, list of tables, list of figures, acknowledgement, dedication, and declaration. You can write anything in them, and you should to strictly follow the format of your concerned university. Okay? For example, this is the format of the University of Sawabi. Okay? So first of all, you should to write the title, then your name, then university name, the university monogram, and here you should to write the university name, address, and your session. Okay, this is the main title page. Then you will start your research work from the introduction. First of all, the abstract is written in the start, but abstract, when you will finalize your research work, when your results will be finalized, then you will write the abstract. Abstract means summary. This is the summary of your research work. In Urdu it is known as खुलासा. उर्दू में इसको खुलासा कहते हैं. ये आपके रिसर्च वर्क का पूरा एक खुलासा है, जिस तरह आप समंदर को कूजे में बंद करते हैं. ठीक है. So first of all, the introduction. Introduction is very important. For example, you are conducting your research work in the field of ethnobotany or floristic diversity or medicinal plants or taxonomy in any field. So you should to write the introduction of your topic related with your field. Okay. For example, you are conducting a research work on the ethno-medicinal and traditional uses of the flora of district Sawabi, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. So first of all, you will write the introduction related to the ethnobotany and ethnomedicine. Okay. You will also write the introduction of your area. For example, Sawabi, Mardan, Charsadda, Noshehra, Peshawar, these lower, these upper, or any other area. So you will write the geographical coordinates, the general introduction of your area, their latitude, longitude, altitude, their flora, their fauna, and you should to write about their climate as well. It is very important. You can write each and anything in them about your area of interest. The introduction you can write in your thesis from 2 to 3 pages. Okay. And you should to do the citation in them as well. Every paragraph needs proper citations. Okay. Next one is the second chapter is the review of literature. Review of literature means the previous work which is already done by the previous author in the previous years related your field of interest, related to your topic. ठीक है. आपका जो टॉपिक है उससे रिलेटेड जितना काम पहले हो चुका है तो उसके साथ जो रिलेटेड मालूमात है उससे आप लिखते हैं. ठीक है. एंड हाउ यू विल राइट दैट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you will study the article and you will study their abstract. Okay. So you will write the review from their abstract. For example, Irfan et al. 2022 reported or documented 153 species from district Sawabi having 50 genera and distributed in 30 families. Okay. So you can write each and everything. Or if for example you are working on adiantum and ferns, so you can write it that previously Imran et al. Documented 5 species of adiantum from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Okay, and so on. So this is a method. Number third one is the material and method. Material and method, there are 2 parts. If you are conducting a field work or a lab work, so you should to write each and everything in them. For example, you are collecting the plants, you have different equipments, apparatus and study plan. So each and everything which you are doing in the field and the equipments which you have, you will mention it and write it in the material and method section. For example, you are going to the field, collecting the plants, then taking the photographs of them and keeping the record of latitude, longitude, geopositioning system, and then you are properly drying their plants, then preserving them and then mounting on specific herbarium sheets and then deposited them in the herbaria. And also then you are performing their morphological study, their anatomical study, their biochemical study and each and everything. So you will write it here. Okay. Next one is the results. Result is very important. Result of each and every field is different. If you are performing a research work on taxonomy of family Asteraceae, so if you have collected 7 species or 8 species or so many, So first of all, you will identify them, you will bring it to herbarium, and then you will write its habitat, locality, and the vegetative and reproductive characters about their root, stem, leaf, flower, spores, sporangia, sori, each and everything. Okay? Or if you are conducting a research work on ethnobotany and ethnomedicine, then you will make a questionnaire and you will ask questions. You will take the interview from different people. You will ask about the uses of the plant from the different peoples. Okay? And then you will make the columns and then you will write in the thesis. Okay? Next one is the discussion. Discussion is very important because you will compare your results and the results of the previous people which have already published their work. Okay? So you will compare them, that either your results and the results of the other people, they are same or they have some differences. So you will discuss it here in the discussion chapter. Okay? And some research articles, the results and discussion, they are written combinedly in the same chapter. Okay? But in research thesis, they are written separately. Okay? It depends on the format of the university. If they are separate, so you will write it separate, or if they are both are with each other, so you will write it united. Okay? Next one is the conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion is the concrete of your research work. Okay? In Urdu it is known as मरकजी ख्याल. ये जो है आपका जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है, ये इसका खुलासा होता है. ठीक है, ये इसका पूरा निचोड़ होता है. You will need to write just 5 to 6 lines. You will write a paragraph. Okay? And you will also write the recommendation. You can also write the recommendation in the research article after the discussion, at the end of discussion. Okay? You can also write at the end of conclusion 2 to 3 lines as well. Okay? The last one is the references. In some articles, the references is also written as literature cited. Okay? So how you will write the references? Number first one, you need to write the author name. Okay? If the author is one, you will write his last name. If the authors are two, you will write the last names of both the authors. Okay? If the authors are three, then you will write it as, for example, Irfan et al. You will write et al with it. Okay? And then the year. First of all, author names, then year, then article title. Title of the article, title of a book. Okay? Or title of a short communication, or title of a review article. Okay? जिसको आप साइट करते हैं उसका टाइटल आपने इधर लिखना होगा. ठीक है? फॉर एग्जांपल, इरफान एट al 2022 research article is the ethnomedicinal and traditional uses of the flora of district Sawabi, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Then you will write the journal name. For example, Plant Science Today, International Journal of Biosciences, Microscopy Research and Techniques. There are various journals. जिसको आप साइट करते हैं उसी जर्नल का नेम आपने लिखना होगा. देन वॉल्यूम. ठीक है? वॉल्यूम, issue number, issue number, and then page number. And at the end you can write a link of its DOI. When you will click on the DOI link, you will find the original article. Okay? It is also necessary here, or it is optional. You can, if you cannot find it, so leave it. Okay? So it was all about the research and scientific writing, that how you will write the research work, how you will take start for your research work, and how you will write a research thesis. Okay? So it was a summarized lecture about the research thesis or research articles. Okay? Hopefully, I think this lecture will be most interesting, and there will be many interesting and new things for all of you. Hopefully you all may have enjoyed it. If you like these lectures, so please subscribe to our channel and like our videos, and also give us feedbacks and share our videos as well. Thank you so much.